एवरीवन, अगर मैं आज कुछ ना बोलूं और जस्ट मुस्कुराऊं, then what happens? Do you feel something? The point I'm trying to make is that we communicate even before we open our mouth. And why does this happen? Because we are divine beings and we all understand energy. We feel it. And so does the universe. That is the way one can communicate with the universe and make their manifestations come fast. और अगर आपको अपनी manifestation journey को feed देनी है तो welcome back to my channel Manifest with Shilpa and don't forget to subscribe because मैं regularly content बनाती हूँ जो कि मेरी कोचिंग पे एप्लीकेबल है एंड इट इज वेरी प्रैक्टिकल. आई एम नॉट प्रीची. मैं कोई यहाँ ज्ञान देने नहीं आई हूँ या इन्फ्लुएंसर बनने आई हूँ. मैं यहाँ पर सीधे सीधे आपकी लाइफ में इम्पैक्ट करने आई हूँ एंड आई शेयर प्रैक्टिकल डिटेल्स अबाउट एनर्जी दैट हाउ यू कैन मैनिफेस्ट. लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So I'll come straight to the point. Most people miss about manifestation is that they are not talking directly to the universe. People think कि affirmation करने से manifestation हो जाएगी, but that's not true. Your words aren't really the language universe understands. अगर आपको लगता है कि आप इंग्लिश में affirmation कर रहे हो, हिंदी में affirmation कर रहे हो या मंत्र पढ़ रहे हो, जो भी आप कर रहे हो और उससे आपकी manifestation हो रही है, no, that is not the reality. The manifestation happens with your energy. अब ये क्या है, ये चीज क्या है which we all sense but we cannot explain. So when you will watch this video completely, you will understand what is this thing, what is this energy and how we can work on it. Because in my coaching the results are very phenomenal. और एक रिजल्ट है जो कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग है और कॉमन है, मतलब सबको ये रिजल्ट आता है, वो ये that after some time when people are working on their energy with me, they appear very attractive to other people. So they become head turners and they become the center of attraction and everybody starts liking them and they start receiving a lot of compliments. And why does this happen? मैं कोई प्लास्टिक सर्जरी तो कर नहीं रही हूँ ऑनलाइन बैठ के या फिजिकल भी अगर मैं किसी से मिल रही हूँ 1-to-1 सेशन में. सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज ओनली वर्किंग ऑन द एनर्जी. और जब पर्सन की एनर्जी चेंज हो जाती है तो स्किन कलर डजंट मैटर, फीचर्स डोंट मैटर, दे अपीयर अट्रैक्टिव to other people. That attraction. तो अगर आप पूछो ये attraction क्या है तो वो energy है. Their energy is changed. और वो मैं मेरा एक प्रोसेस है जिससे कराती हूँ. आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ कि आप किस तरीके से यूनिवर्स से कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो through your energy. What is energy and how you can change it. Okay, so first understand that what is energy. Now every thought that you're thinking, every emotion that you're feeling is energy. Specifically feelings like I feel great, I feel loved, I feel I'm rich. These are the feelings and when you feel them inside, that is exactly what your energy is and then you attract it. Because your energy is like a radio signal that's constantly being broadcasted into universe and universe simply responds to it. Simple तरीका ये है कि I have seen people like who are earning very less when they join me. Like some people are in debts and some people are earning very less, like 10,000, 20,000 per month. And after 2 to 3 months, 4 months, they are easily earning, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs. And people who are in debt, they clear the debts and they come out clean. और जॉब वालों के लिए थोड़ा स्लो है और बिजनेसमैन के लिए तो ऑफ कोर्स अबंडेंट है, उनका रिजल्ट बहुत जल्दी रहता है बिकॉज फ्लो बहुत ज्यादा ओपन है. बिकॉज ऑल दिस एनर्जी स्टार्ट्स वर्किंग एंड अट्रैक्टिंग थिंग्स. अब आते हैं कि आप इस फ्रीक्वेंसी पे जाएं कैसे, क्योंकि आप तो फिर ये बोलोगे मैम आपने तो फिर से अफर्मेशन ही बता दी कि आई एम अबंडेंट, आई एम लव, यही मतलब हुआ ना आपका. लेकिन ये तो काम नहीं करती. अभी मैंने खुद ही तो बोला था 2 मिनट पहले. अब मैं आपको बताती हूँ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या है. देखिए कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ये है, जैसे आपने अफर्मेशन करी आई एम लव्ड, वर्ड्स है, बोल लिया आपने, लेकिन आप अंदर से उसको बिलीव ही नहीं कर रहे हो. आपके अंदर है फियर, कैसे मुझे कोई प्यार करेगा, डाउट्स हैं मुझे कोई मिलेगा भी या नहीं मिलेगा, या फिर स्कैरसिटी है कि कोई ऐसा है ही नहीं जो मेरे लिए अवेलेबल है. व्हाट हैपेंस देन व्हेन यू आर डूइंग दिस अफर्मेशन, इट्स रियली नॉट अ वेरी clean energy and it's not really going to the universe because you're not able to vibrate on it. So when you're doing any affirmation, अगर suppose I'm born to be rich कर लेते हैं जो मेरी favorite affirmations हैं 7 में से एक, तो अगर आपके अंदर ये fears और doubts हैं तो आप affirmation बोलोगे भी तो you will not be able to vibrate at that frequency. उसके लिए आपको अपने अंदर से ये सब fears, past failures, doubts और जो भी आपके दिमाग में है, scarcity है या ये possible नहीं है affirmation तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ लेकिन ये सच नहीं लग रही and all that stuff, you have to remove it. And when this is removed, then only you are affirming and tuning into that. You will start feeling your affirmation and start working. और मेरा देखो यही काम है कि मैं affirmation install करती हूँ person के ऊपर, like installation properly. Installation word इसलिए I'm a techie from background and I know you have to install a software on a machine so that it can work. Similarly, I install affirmations. I even install Ho'oponopono on people. You know, that is the difference of working with a coach. How you get into this energy? You understood, right? Obviously, मैंने affirmation की बात करी and then second मैंने blocks remove करने की बात करी कि आपने affirmation बोल के देखी and then you felt the blocks, so you have to remove those. Now, after these two things, final thing you have to do is you have to align with the version who already has it. Let's say you're love, then how you behave. You know, you become that person. And if you're rich, how you behave, how you walk, talk, all that you have to, you know, align now. And how that is done? That is done through visualization. And for visualization, you don't have to wait for visualization. Just close your eyes and start visualizing. It's right here. That power is right here in your mind. And, you know, just feel it. Keep feeling it. And, you know, start sending gratitude. Raise your vibration. And if you feel and there any blockage which is blocking you, you feel sleepy or anything, then, you know, work on yourself. Just talk to yourself. Why this happening? And, you know, when you realize what it is, just clean it. And anytime you need deeper help, you can come to me. I give NLP on you. And it works. All that just works. I think even in 1-2 sessions, people are like vibrating high, and I keep on seeing these changes. So I'm like pretty much assured that this is how it's gonna work on you. Now what? You have done all these steps, then keep visualizing every day. Make it a daily ritual. Do it at least for 21 days and see how the universe responds to your clean energy, not your effort. So I'm saying if you want to manifest really, effort is fine, but more than that, what universe wants you to do is internal energy alignment. And once you do it, you will see those changes happening in your life. You will see your manifestations coming. All right, so don't forget to save this video, share it with your friends who are just doing affirmations and it's not working for them, because tell them that they really need to align their energy. You can anytime get into my coaching and become that super attractive and influential person in your life. And you can also join my coaching to manifest your business success. You'll find the link in the comments below to book a call, and I'll also see you in the next video. Bye-bye.